This is Annette. I'm from Shelbyville, Kentucky, and my husband found LeafFilter through word of mouth. His coworkers were new to the area, and he was tired of cleaning out the gutters. So we had the salesman come out, and besides being very knowledgeable of their product, as well as plenty of samples from competitors' products, how they work, and what it could do for us, and everything else it entails. Guarantees that it would work for not just our lifetime, but the lifetime of the house. So if we were to ever sell, that's a transferable warranty, which is a big deal nowadays, I'm sure. And besides that, it has gone through a couple of pretty nasty rainstorms, and we have a lot of big trees, and everything's looking great so far. So we're really happy with it, and financing was super simple and quick, and they were out within a week and had everything installed in one day.